Looking for a hair clipper that delivers professional quality results without the hassle of salon visits? The Wahl Elite Pro High Performance Haircutting Kit promises just that. With self-sharpening blades that stay sharp longer and a powerful motor designed to cut through all hair types smoothly, this kit makes home grooming easier and more precise than ever before. What sets the Elite Pro apart is its combination of precision and power. The clipper features Wahl's finest self-sharpening blades, which cut hair 40% faster and stay sharp through countless uses. Thanks to the adjustable taper lever, you can easily fade and blend for clean, sharp styles every time. Plus, the powerful motor runs quietly with 15% more power than Wahl's PowerDrive motor, ensuring no snags or interruptions during your haircut. The included secure fit guide combs with stainless steel clips keep everything steady and safe, even if you're new to cutting hair at home.